Hey guys, it's Helen. Nice to see you today. This video we're going to get into some Korean and Japanese skincare. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if this is your first time here, hi, hello, my name is Helen, and it is so nice to meet you. Thank you for joining me. So today is super exciting. I am finally unboxing my No Make No Life May box. That's right, May, yeah. It is July 11th while I'm filming this, and I did just receive this week. So yep, I am finally unboxing my May box in July. So basically what happened was I signed up for No Make No Life, and I'll get into a little bit more of what it is, but I signed up for the subscription box right after or right when like everything shut down for quarantine and for the pandemic. And this box is coming from Japan, and they were no longer letting anything out to the US or to other countries at that time. So this has just kind of been hanging out, waiting around in Japan, and finally just made it to me. So I'm super excited. I have not received the June box yet, and I have not received the July box. I will probably receive the July box next week because I did pay extra for DHL to ship that one. But the June box, we'll see. Maybe I'll get it in August. I don't know. I'm not too worried about it. I know I'll eventually get it, and if I don't, that they'll work with me and we'll get it all fixed. So No Make No Life is actually a subscription box that has makeup and beauty products from Korea and Japan, and they have like really super cute stuff in here. I am into things that are adorable and cutesy, and this just felt like it was right up my alley. So I'm actually really excited to finally see what I got in this box. So I'm just gonna kind of get right into it. This is the box itself, which I just showed you. It's super cute. It's got all like the little makeup-y stuff on here. I don't think this is a very popular box. I don't see a lot of like YouTube videos out there with people unboxing these, but I don't know, I just thought it was something fun and different and wanted to check them out. I already have like a BoxyCharm subscription, and I did just recently sign up for Ipsy, so I'll have some of those unboxings, but this is just something a little different, and it has some really cute little like Korean and Japanese, you know, goodies in it. So let's get into it. So this is, I'm gonna kind of scooch over here. This is what it looks like inside. So it says, "Hey beautiful, love your box, share and tag." So they have a little hashtag, and we've got some like paper in here, and that's what the inside looks like. So I'm not gonna give you guys too many spoilers. I want to show you one by one. So this May's box theme is Geeky Gorgeous, which is 100% right up my alley. I consider myself a little bit geeky. I love playing video games, and I play D&D every other week. So that is right up my alley, super cute. And it looks like in here they kind of give you a breakdown of what you receive, like where they're from, and then there's like a little pamphlet of, I guess, just like a little, they do like monthly giveaways as well, which obviously this is from May, so that won't really apply. So yeah, cute little pamphlet with all the goodies. Oh, and then they even have like a little like horoscope in the back, but it's like which character nails should you try. So it's got like little nail options for your horoscope. So I'm a Virgo, and I should do, it looks like BTS inspired nails, which I don't know what that is, but I know it's popular. I think it's a band, maybe K-pop. I should stop talking because I have no idea. So cute little pamphlet. All right, so the first thing we have in here are these. Oh, what's also going to be fun before I start is my pronunciation of everything. Guarantee it'll be horrible. Just wait. So the first thing we have is the Shooky Face Point Mask by Mediheal. And this is what the packaging looks like. And this is what the back looks like. It looks like this is a bonus item. I don't know if it's because I had just signed up and it was a new item for me, or if it's because they knew things were gonna be backlogged for shipping. I'm not sure, but it looks like they're tiny, like, I don't know if you can see this, they're like tiny little mask bits that you place, I guess. I don't know. It's probably gonna be cute. We'll see. Everything is in a different language, so I cannot read anything about this. Maybe it says something in the pamphlet here. It might not though, because it is an extra thing. It does not, but I bet you I'll be able to look it up online and figure out what I'm supposed to do with it. So that's the first item. And then the second item we have in here is another mask, it looks like. So this is the Jin and Gudetama face sheet mask. And this is super cute. The little illustrations are adorable. It's like he's like with a little egg. It must be like an egg mask or something. It's so cute. So this says it's made in Japan. This is the back of it. Super cute. It is a Sanrio licensed item. Let's see what this says. So this is the Jin and Gudetama sheet mask. So famous Sanrio egg Gudetama collaborated with equally famous Japanese celebrity Akanishi Jin, known as singer in J-pop group Cat Toon, an actor in several J-dramas, to create this cute sheet mask. It contains rice extract to moisturize your skin and improve elasticity. The best thing, it smells like pancakes. It smells like pancakes. I want to open this right now, but I have a full face of makeup on. You guys, it smells like pancakes. It's a sheet mask that smells like pancakes. Okay, I see you. Jin and Gudetama sheet mask. This is from Japan. Super cute. All right, next thing we have in here is a black charcoal chin pack. Focus on the little face, not my face. Look, it looks like me. I'm like holding it right at the right spot. Hey guys, it's Helen. Nice to see you today. This video we're gonna get into some Korean and Japanese skincare. So this is a black charcoal chin pack. And it says this best-selling Etude House chin patch. So it's from Etude House. I have heard of them before. This best-selling Etude House chin patch removes dirt and excess sebum and makes your skin soft and smooth. And then it gives you instructions on how to use it. And this is from Korea. Super cute. I love this. So adorable. I don't have a lot of stuff going on my chin, but I'm going to try it out. All right, next up we have a pencil eyeliner with, again, some really cute illustrations on it. Some cute drawings. So this is... where is it? Fate Grand Order and Sanrio colored eyeliner. Fate Grand Order is back again with its adorable Sanrio makeup collab. In May's box comes one of the 6 colored eyeliners that we curated for you, inspired by characters of the Japanese game. So I got Ozymandias. I've not heard of Fate Grand Order, so I'm not sure. So not only do these come in unique colors, they also have a pearly shimmer that will make your eyes pop. No need to sharpen it, simply twist the eyeliner to use it again. So I'm going to open this up and we're going to take a look at what color I received. The packaging is super cute. Alright, so here is the eyeliner pencil. Okay, so it's a brown. It's actually a nice brown. It looks like more of a cool brown. And it has just the slightest hint of shimmer to it. That'll be handy. I can use this with a lot of looks. I could use this on this look today too. Which, quick little tidbit, if you liked my makeup look today, I actually filmed it in a get ready with me that is probably already up, so I will link it for you here. I didn't go into detail on how I was applying it because I was doing like a chatty get ready with me, but I do have all the products I use listed there. So go ahead and check that out when this video is done. So our cute little eye pencil, nice cool brown, with a little bit of shimmer to it. All right, next item, and that is from Japan. So next item we have Petite Pocket Avocado Moisture Cream. This is so cute. Look at this packaging. This is super, super adorable. It has like a little like twisty here so you can like open and close it, which is really nice. So this is Berry Som Petite Packet. Berry Som is a Korean brand specialized in skincare, always carefully picked the best ingredients. In May's box comes one of the 6 30-gram skincare pouches from the Petite Packet series. So I got the Avocado Moisture Cream, but the other options were Snail Repair Cream, Vita Berry Foam, Aloe Soothing Gel, Milk Tone-Up Cream, or Milk Brightening Body Cream. So super cute, and I do love me some avocados, so excited about that one. All right, let's go to the next item. There are still like several things in here that are cute. So the next item I have is adorable. It is a Kirby like holographic makeup pouch. I don't know if this is gonna show up on camera for you guys, but it is super cute. So in my last Get Ready With Me video, I talked a little bit about how I've been a PlayStation player like since PlayStation has existed. So I never really had a Nintendo. I had a Nintendo Wii back when like it had first come out and it was like all the rage. But I never really played a lot of Nintendo when I was a kid. But this is super cute. I know of Nintendo and of the games. And I do want a Nintendo Switch, if that makes up for the fact that I never played it. But this bag is so cute. So it like has little flaps that open up, and it's almost like a envelope type thing. I don't think it would hold a lot of things in it. I mean, maybe like brushes or pencils while you're traveling, so that could be handy. I will definitely use this. This is really cute. Let's just see real quick what they say about it. Kirby iridescent pouch. Were you in need of a makeup pouch? Look no further. This cute iridescent pouch featuring Kirby is the dream of every gorgeous and geek girl out there. Easily open and close it with the snap button and show off your cutest cosmetics with this clear pouch. It is really cute. So that is that one. And then next up we have this super cute, I think it's like a towel? Yeah, it's a Sumiko Gurashi towel. Sumiko Gurashi towel. But this is what it looks like. It is flippin' adorable. Let me just kind of scooch out for you guys. This is what the little towel looks like. It's just like a normal towel. The one side kind of has that terry cloth texture and the other side smoother. It says carry this cute Sumiko Gurashi towel in your bag or use it at home. This towel comes in a convenient 35 by 34 centimeter size. So convenient. In May's box comes one towel in pink or blue. So I got the pink, which I really like. The blue would have been really cute too. I actually think this would be great like in my bathroom when I take my makeup off. This can be like my little drying towel. So super adorable. I really like that. And that is from Japan. And I forgot to mention that the pouch is also from Japan. All right, we have two more items. I'm gonna go with the little guy first. So we have this super adorable eyeshadow. It's from the Etude House. So it's Etude House and Tom and Jerry Look at My Eyes eyeshadow. This is from Korea. Hooray! We were able to create these popular eyeshadows for you from the new Etude House 2020 New Year's collection featuring Tom and Jerry. Did you guys ever watch Tom and Jerry when you were a kid? I did. Loved it. I don't watch it like anymore, but I just really liked it when I was a kid. The Jewel eyeshadows have a pearly shimmer and a creamy texture, and the Cafe series have a silky matte texture. Your eyes will look dazzling. So I think I have a pearly jewel color, but this is what it looks like. Cute little Tom and Jerry on there. I'm gonna pop this open and do a test swatch. So there's the eyeshadow. It does feel nice. It feels nice and creamy. Ooh, yeah, that's nice. Alright, I'd use that. That's what it looks like on the hand. I don't know if you guys, there we go. Just need to catch the light right. It's a nice pearly finish. It looks nice with that eyeliner too. So very cute. And then last but not least, we have another Kirby themed item. And it is so cute. We have a Kirby moisturizing cream. Look at how adorable this is. And it's like in this purple little tin. I will say I am very happy that they have like the edges taped. I did watch an unboxing of the May box prior, and they theirs was not taped, so theirs had like exploded into their box, which was very sad. But yeah, so mine did not explode, and it is, I'll read about it while I get this tape off, or attempt to at least. All right, they did not want this to open. Oh, it smells so good. It smells like peaches, but like so light. It's not strong. And I love the scent of peaches. I love peach scent. I love peach flavor. Like, I love peaches. Nintendo Superstar Kirby is making an appearance in May's box with these adorable moisturizing creams. This peach scented cream can be used to moisturize dry skin on both your face and body. It comes in 9 different versions inspired by famous places in Japan. So I got Hokkaido, Japan. Super cute, and it's got like the cute little flower wreath on his head. Oh, it's so adorable. This is such a fun little box. I really like it. I think it's super cute. I mean, I did have to wait a couple months for it to get in, but I completely understand. I mean, Japan literally could not ship out boxes. Like, there was nothing like they could do about it. So it is not on them. I did eventually get it, and everything is like really good quality. It is super cute. I cannot wait to try out the skincare. I think what I'll do, I feel like I keep saying this in my videos and then like I fail at doing it, but it's life. I think what I'm gonna do is like some of the skincare items I'll do on my Instagram. What I have to do, and this is where I start feeling kind of old, I don't know how to do Instagram stories. Like, I do not know how to do it. I see ones where like you can like swipe up and go here and swipe up for this link, and I can barely figure out how to put a story up there. Like, I can put a picture up. I don't know. I'm gonna have to do some research. If you have like a YouTube video that you've watched about it or something, let me know down below so I can like not feel so old anymore. But I would really like to do that like on an Instagram story or something for you guys, just to kind of show you some of the skincare items that I received. I could put this lotion on right now before I go. I don't know that I would use this on my face, if we're being honest. My face doesn't really need that much moisture. I mean, I moisturize obviously, but usually my moisturizers are targeted for like a combination to oily skin. I don't think this is what this is, but it feels really nice on the hands, and it like sinks in right away. It just has the ever so slight hint of peach scent. I really like it. Yeah, this was a super cute box, guys. I really like this, so I am looking forward to getting my June box eventually, and then like I said, I think next week I'm getting my July box. I will be in the greater Seattle, Washington area next week, so I probably won't get to filming that unboxing until the week after, but yeah, this was super cute. I am excited for my next boxes. I hope you guys liked this video, and if you did, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And if you'd like to see more videos like this, whether it's unboxings or makeup in general, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I post new videos every Wednesday and Sunday, and I cannot wait to see you guys next time. Bye!